Hey friends, a lot of users have reported this error. Your device ran into a problem and needs to restart. Now, this is the general statement for the blue screen of death error, and don't worry, it will be very easy to resolve it. I'll hold your hand and guide you through the solutions. So, we have two situations here. The first situation will be when you are able to log into your system, and the second one is when you're not able to log into the system. So, first, I'll guide you how to log into your system if you're not able to log into the system. Now, it's very easy. We have a few keys depending upon the brand of your computer. As soon as you hit the power button on your system, start hitting this key rapidly. For the Asus computers, it can be F2 or Dell. For Lenovo computers, it can be F8. For Dell, it can be Shift plus F8. For HP, it can be F4, but depending upon the model, these figures could be different as well. It could be a different key for another model of HP. So you can check it online, you can Google it, you can check it for your specific model number, or you can ask the customer care on how to reach the advanced option screen. I noticed that when people were watching other videos across other channels, they were very confused over this. So it depends upon the model of your system. Now, once you're in the advanced option screen, which looks something like this, go to startup repair and select the safe mode option. Whether you are in your computer through safe mode or normal mode, the solutions will remain the same post this. So the first solution will be to disconnect peripherals. Now, which peripherals? A lot of users will ask. So peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras, etc., which push in their own drivers, because these drivers will cause a conflict with the existing drivers on the system. The second solution will be an SFC scan. What does an SFC scan do? It checks for missing system files and replaces them if possible. Okay, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution will be a CHKDSK scan. Okay, so a CHKDSK scan searches for bad and missing sectors on your hard drive and fixes them if possible. So again, open the elevated command prompt window as earlier and type the command CHKDSK space / R space / F and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter once again. The next one is to update Windows to the latest version, because at times a few bad updates or a few missing updates can cause the problem. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select check for updates. The next solution will be to update driver or fix any driver which is corrupt. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Check for any driver here which is corrupt. If you find any corrupt driver, simply right click on it and update it, or right click on it and uninstall. Then remember to click on action and scan for hardware changes. When you scan for hardware changes, it will reinstall the driver. Okay, the next solution will be system restore. So what does a system restore mean? You must have created a few system restore points earlier on your computer, or they must have been automatically created when it was working fine. So now you're facing problems, but it was working fine earlier, right? So we can restore it to a date when it was working better. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Okay, and then choose a different restore point. Next, choose a good restore point. Next, click on finish and then click on yes. And lastly, if everything else fails, a cloud reset will be helpful. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery, click on reset PC, click on remove everything, and then select cloud download. Okay, I won't click on cloud download because I don't want to restore my system right now, but you can select cloud download. And when you're performing cloud download, then it will completely replace the system image. But if you are using a Windows 11 computer, it will download around 64 GBs of data. So I will suggest you to keep your system connected to a Wi-Fi for that. I hope this was helpful, and if yes, then I have earned a subscription from you. Please subscribe to our channel. We really need subscribers. That will be very helpful. And obviously like the video. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.